We move beyond the Roman walls and into the heart of medieval London, a city defined by merchant wealth, monastic power, and dark secrets. Hidden behind Fleet Street, the Temple Church stands as a legacy of the Knights Templar, consecrated in 1185 to emulate Jerusalem's Holy Sepulchre. This was the Templars' English headquarters, not just a sanctuary, but one of the world's first international banks, housing the royal treasury. Among these stones lies William Marshall, the legendary knight who negotiated the Magna Carta in 1215, shaping the future of English law. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking east, we enter Cheapside, the marketplace, where the streets themselves still act as a map for medieval commerce. Names like Milk Street, Bread Street, and Poultry remind us of the guilds that converged here, transforming these lanes into a hub for trade. During royal processions, the city's water conduits famously flowed with wine, a display of wealth meant to overawe the crown itself. While kings ruled from palaces, the merchants who ran the city met here at the Guildhall, a seat of civic power that rivaled royal authority. Built in the 15th century, the Great Hall symbolized London's autonomy, a place where the Lord Mayor stood second only to the monarch. Beneath the hall lie the largest medieval crypts in London, largely unchanged since 1411, holding centuries of secret history. These walls witnessed the high-drama trials of the Tudor Age, including the conviction of Lady Jane Grey for treason in 1553. North of the city lies Smithfield, once a smooth field used for markets, fairs, and the city's most public and grim displays of power. St. Bartholomew the Great remains a rare, hauntingly preserved example of Norman architecture, founded in 1123. Prior Bolton's famous oriel window still overlooks the choir, a silent witness to 9 centuries of continuous worship. But just outside, Smithfield held a darker role as the city's primary site for executions by fire and the sword. It was here that the Scottish hero William Wallace met his end in 1305, and where the peasants' revolt was violently quelled. In 1348, a shadow fell over the city as the Black Death arrived, testing London's resilience like never before. This peaceful square at the Charterhouse began as a massive emergency burial ground for the tens of thousands who perished. Modern excavations confirmed that even in the face of pandemic, the medieval city responded with surprising and orderly organization. A Carthusian monastery was later founded here to pray for the dead, a monument to the city's spiritual endurance. Near Westminster, the Jewel Tower stood as a secure privy wardrobe for King Edward III's personal silver and plate. Across the river, the ruins of Winchester Palace and its 14th century rose window marked the center of the rowdy Liberty of the Clink. This was a place outside city law, where the bishops licensed the theaters and brothels that provided the city's unregulated life. Medieval London was a city of stark contrasts, of immense wealth and extreme peril, all forged into the stone we see today. In Part 3, we'll witness the city's ultimate rebirth from the ashes of the Great Fire to the global metropolis of today. We'll explore the vision of Christopher Wren and the engineering marvels that defined a new era of British history. Thank you for joining us on Part 2 of our walking tour. Stay tuned for the final chapter of London's evolution. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.